Hey guys, welcome back. This is the 16th database question I'm going to talk with you guys. So let's go to the question. The mark of the term examination in the Kaluvilla Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer system. The software was developed by a software development company called AI Soft. The software should be able to store all student term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So the first question is create a database named exam marks DB to store students' marks. Use the ER diagram to create this database. So for that, I'll use Workbench. Now I'm going to create ER diagram. First of all, I'm start new model. And I'll change the name as exam marks DB. Now double click in this add diagram. Now let's go to the second question. Create a table named student to store students' data. Create the table according to the instructions below. Here are the column names, data type, and length. Now I'm going to create that table. Firstly, I'll change the date to student, and the first column is index number and it should be primary key. And the second is first name. And 45 length. Index number also water. And length is 10. The third column is last name. It's also 45. Then the fourth one is gender. Third column. Next column is contact number. It's also water and character length is 10. Here's our first table. the third question is, the school has 2 grade 11 classes. Create a table for class. Now I'm going to create that table also. Change the table name as class. First column is class ID and it should be primary key and auto increment. Now the second column is class name. First, is water and character length is 45. Our second table is also done. Now the fourth question, create a table called subject. To store the subject taught in the school, I'll create that table also. Change the name as subject. First column is subject ID. It should be primary key and auto increment also. Water and 45 character length. It's also done. Our third table also done. Now the fifth question, create a table with the term exam term to store the term test in the school. Now I have to create that table. Table name is exam term. Term ID. It is primary key and auto increment. And column is term name. Water and 45 characters. Third column is exam date. Data type is date. Now our fourth is the view of 4 tables which I created. That's all from this 16th question. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.